Ever wondered why SAP implementation can be such a tricky process? You see, the journey to implementing SAP, a powerful enterprise resource planning software, is often fraught with complexities. It's not a simple plug-and-play affair, it's a transformative process that requires meticulous planning, a deep understanding of business processes, and most importantly, effective change management. Change management, you ask? Yes, indeed. It's the discipline that guides how we prepare, equip, and support individuals to successfully adopt change in order to drive organizational success. It's the backbone of any successful SAP implementation, ensuring a smooth transition from old systems and processes to new ones. But how does it do that? Well, let's delve a bit deeper. One significant element of change management in SAP implementation is the focus on user experience. It's not just about installing new software and expecting everyone to adapt. It's about understanding the needs, fears, and challenges of the end users, and designing a system that addresses these factors. This approach increases the likelihood of adoption and decreases resistance to the new system. Moreover, understanding the roles of the end users is paramount. Each user has a unique set of responsibilities and will interact with the system in different ways. Understanding these roles allows for a more tailored approach to training and support, ensuring that everyone is equipped to use the new system effectively. Yet, SAP implementation is not without its challenges. The process can be overwhelming, and resistance to change is a common hurdle. The shift in processes and workflows may seem daunting to some, and technical issues can add to the stress. But, as daunting as these challenges may seem, they are not insurmountable. With a robust change management strategy, a focus on user experience, and a deep understanding of end-user roles, the journey to SAP implementation can be made smoother and more successful. Stay tuned as we explore more about these elements in the coming scenes. At the heart of successful SAP implementation is a strong focus on user experience. User experience, or UX, is like the unseen conductor of an orchestra, subtly guiding each player towards a harmonious performance. In the context of SAP implementation, a positive UX can significantly reduce resistance to change. Imagine a system that is intuitive, easy to navigate, and designed with the end user in mind. This is the essence of a positive user experience. It's not just about the aesthetics or the user interface, but the overall interaction between the user and the system. A well-designed UX can make the transition to a new system smoother, increasing the adoption rates and fostering a sense of ownership among the users. It can turn skeptics into advocates and resistance into acceptance. When users are comfortable with the system, they are more likely to embrace it, reducing the need for extensive training and support. So, never underestimate the power of a positive user experience. Training isn't just about imparting knowledge, it's about empowering users to confidently navigate the new system. When it comes to successful SAP implementation, the role of hands-on training cannot be overstated. Just think of it as a guided tour into a new city. The more you explore, the better you understand its streets, landmarks, and shortcuts. Now, let's take a moment to consider the end users. They are not a homogeneous group. They have varied roles, responsibilities, and skill sets. Therefore, a one-size-fits-all approach to training simply won't cut it. Instead, training should be tailored to each user's specific role and responsibilities. Imagine a customer service representative and an inventory manager. Their interactions with the SAP system will be vastly different, so their training should reflect those differences. By providing hands-on, role-specific training, we ensure users are not just familiar with the system, but also comfortable using it in their daily tasks. Remember, effective training can make the difference between success and failure. Communication is the glue that holds everything together during an SAP implementation. It's the lifeblood that keeps the project team and end users connected, informed, and engaged. Think of it as a bridge that connects the technical world of SAP with the business users who will ultimately use the system. It's this bridge that facilitates understanding and alignment, crucial for the successful implementation of any SAP project. Frequent, clear, and transparent communication helps manage expectations, assuages concerns, and fosters a positive attitude towards change. It's all about keeping everyone in the loop, ensuring they understand their roles and feel heard and valued. When people are informed, they feel involved, and when they feel involved, they're more likely to adopt the new system with enthusiasm. In the face of change, communication is the guiding light that can help smooth the journey, making the process less daunting and more empowering, so keep the lines of communication open and clear. Overcoming the challenges of SAP implementation requires more than just technical know-how. It's about understanding the human side of the equation and providing the right tools and support to navigate the change. The first step towards this is focusing on the user experience. A system that's easy to use and intuitively designed can significantly reduce the learning curve. By conducting user testing sessions, we can gather feedback and make necessary improvements to enhance the overall user experience. This way, we ensure that the system is not just functional but also user-friendly. Training is another crucial aspect of overcoming challenges. Hands-on training sessions can help users understand the system better and gain confidence in their abilities. It's important to remember that every user has a unique role, and their training should be tailored to their specific needs. Providing role-based training can increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the learning process. Understanding the roles of the end users is also essential. By understanding their roles, we can ensure that the system is designed to meet their specific needs. This not only improves functionality but also increases user satisfaction and engagement. Communication, too, plays a significant role in overcoming challenges. Regular and open communication can help manage expectations, provide updates, and address any concerns that may arise. By fostering a culture of transparency and openness, we can ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page and working towards the same goal. However, the process is not without its problems. There might be resistance to change, technical glitches, or even communication gaps. But these issues can be resolved with a proactive and strategic approach to change management. By anticipating possible challenges and developing contingency plans, we can ensure a smooth transition. In conclusion, overcoming the challenges of SAP implementation is not just about managing the technical aspects, but also about managing the human elements involved. With the right approach and mindset, the challenges of SAP implementation can be transformed into opportunities for growth and improvement.